This is the photo I took in Zurich, the capital of Switzerland, but for me is the capital of bridges. A few hours ago, I just bought a new action camera and a flight to Zurich. A night stop before my solo adventure to Norway. In this video, I'm taking you on a walk with me, exploring the city of Zurich in the golden hour and capturing some scenes through my lens. I'm in Zurich, close to the train station, and from here we start our walking tour. Let's see. From this bridge, I can plan to capture some establishing shots on low shutter speed, adding a sense of movement in the shot to show the busyness of the street. And some fun shot waiting for a tram enter the frame, adding a further depth to the scene by using a tree as a foreground obstacle. And now we are heading over to the Bridge of Love, where traditionally if you hang a lock on the bridge and throw the key into the river, they say your love will be everlasting. Before going further in the city, I also wandered a bit in Splits Park. Although I did not find anything interesting to click, it was still a great spot to watch some boats. And now we are heading inside the busy street of Bahnhofstrasse. Reaching this beautiful drinking fountain with two very distinct sides. Standing here, I saw the streets are reflecting the lights of the car, which would be an amazing shot if caught in the right moment. And I managed it with the little blur on the subject that adds further motion in the picture. And a building so large that I have to move far away to capture it. And I found this shape of the tree that feels like a sword or the third tower, which adds a kind of structure to the composition. As it's becoming dark, the glowing bridges are starting to add more contrast to the scene. Like the Switzerland is not so known for the nightlife, so after the sunset the city starts to die. But the vibe is pretty nice. Hello. And here I managed to take two more portraits. First has this kind of sense of urgency to capture everything. Like, ironically, I am recording her, and while she's recording, feeding the swans. And the second where subject is visible only from the back, relaxing by the lakeside, but the scene suggests a solitude as it's taken very late at the night. And a spot capturing the skyline of the Zurich downtown. I was saying before, and it's only 10 o'clock. And this beautiful piazza, nobody is here. And this is the spot we took the last photograph of the night. If you like this video, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel and subscribe. See you soon.